Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Surfshark VPN. I'll show you the process on a Windows computer, but it's exactly the same on macOS. Installing Surfshark is also very easy on Android and iOS, and I'll show you how to do that as well. Surfshark is also available on Android TV. So, let's see how to install Surfshark on your device in just 3 simple steps. Step number 1, sign up for Surfshark. First, you need to sign up for Surfshark. I invite you to use our link vpn-club.com/surf to take advantage of the best deal currently available. You can choose between 3 plans. The starter plan for only $1.88 per month, which includes a VPN and alternative ID. The One plan for $2.28 per month, which also includes an antivirus, an alert system, and private search. And the One Plus plan for $4.18 per month, which also includes identity theft coverage and data removal by incognito. Simply choose the plan you need. If you're not sure which one to choose, go with the starter plan. Once you've selected a plan, click the Get button. You will then be redirected to this page. Enter your email address, choose a payment method, and complete your sign up. Step number 2, download and install the app. Once you've signed up, you will receive a confirmation email from Surfshark and you will be able to log in to the members area, which is the interface reserved for Surfshark members. Go to the Download App section. This is where you can download the app. Surfshark is available on many operating systems. I click here. Once the installation file is downloaded, open it to start installing Surfshark. Step number 3, sign in. Once the app is installed, simply sign in. Enter your credentials and click the login button. Once connected, you will have access to Surfshark. That's it. You now know how to install Surfshark and you can start using the app. Let's test it. As you can see here, my current IP address shows that I'm located in France. I launch Surfshark. I select a location, the UK for example. I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. There we go. I'm now connected to the VPN server. I refresh this page. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced with a British IP address. If I visit a website or use an app, it will think that I'm located in the UK because I now have a British IP address. I showed you how to install Surfshark on a Windows computer, but the process is exactly the same on macOS. After signing up, you will be able to download the app from the App Store by clicking on the Download button in the Download App sections of the Members area. The installation will be completed very quickly. Once the app is installed, you can sign in and start using it. If you're on Android or iOS, it's the same ID. If you're on Android, go to the Play Store, search for Surfshark, then click Install to start the installation. Once the app is installed, sign in using your credentials. You can then use the app on your smartphone or tablet. If you're on iOS, go to the App Store, search for Surfshark, then click Get to start the installation. Once the app is installed, sign in. You can then use the app on your iPhone or iPad. And that's it. It is that simple. So, you might be wondering why choose Surfshark and not another VPN. Surfshark is currently one of the very best VPNs available on the market. It has more than 4,500 servers in 100 countries, giving you many locations to choose from. It's a secure, reliable, and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and more. You can use it on an unlimited number of devices simultaneously. This is something very few providers offer. There are no speed limits, no bandwidth limits, a strict no-logs policy, military-grade encryption, and many additional features. It's very effective for bypassing restrictions, browsing and downloading privately, and improving the security of your internet connection, among other things. Surfshark offers a 30-day trial period in the form of a money-back guarantee. This means you can sign up, try the service for several weeks with no limitations, and then request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, simply contact the customer support and ask for your money back. That's it. The only condition is that you make the request within 30 days of signing up, otherwise it will be too late. As a reminder, with our link, you'll get 88% off and 3 months free, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free for you. That's all for today. You now know how to install Surfshark. As you've seen, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next videos. Thanks and see you next time.